In front of me is Motorola Moto G04, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on microphone icon at the top right corner. If you can't see it, select this gear one instead. Tap on voice typing and click on this switcher to activate it. When it's ready, go back to your keyboard and tap on no visible microphone. Then start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, click on the same microphone again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!